Too square though, Mike. Look too square. Oh, nice. There you go, Mike. Let it out, let it out. When you get in the corner, don't let her out. Head movement, Mike. She touched you too much of stop. Bend your knees, Nat. Very good, Mike. That was a nice right hand. I don't see nobody work. Nobody work. Where is that? Where's the hooks to the body? Head movement. Pressure on Mike. She's tired, man. Come on, dig, 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 dig now. Empty the tank. Come on, Mike. Keep it there. Let that right hand go. Right hand, left hook, Mike. Come on, Mike. Short punches, player. Can't take your eye off the target, Nat. Dig, don't sweat me. Come on, Mike. Come on, bake it out, Nat. Come on, no more backstepping. Let's go. Come on, no more backstepping. Can't take your eye off the target.